What's up, guys? Wade here, Wide Customs Motorsports. Had a customer drive up here. We were supposed to initially just install some Hefe rings inside the bags here with 2 8-inch Hertz SBLs. We opened up the front fairing here, and yeah, we discovered we had a mess here. So this is gonna turn into us redoing everything here to make sure that he leaves out of here wide right. We got these crossovers here. Okay, the crossovers were just simply mounted with double-sided tape on, well, Velcro I see now, on just one side. There's nothing else on the other side. It was just put in there. Amplifier here, just thrown in here. Velcro, not screwed down. They did use OFC copper, which is good, okay, but all in all, the wires are not ran neat. No wire ferrules used. See, and this is why I do like to stress wire ferrules. You get things like this if you don't, okay? So we're gonna rerun all of this, get them back together. We're also gonna swap out these Focal speakers here for some Cicadia compression horn mid-range speakers here. The backs actually look good. The backs actually look good. It looks like it was ran well. Okay, I'm just gonna take these off here. I'm just gonna solder these on there so they never come off. Down here, we're gonna clean up everything here. Make sure everything's nice and neat. Change out the battery. Fuse holder here, we're gonna change that out, but you know, we're gonna just fix up everything here, guys. We'll let you guys see the product after it's all done. We got the bike complete here. Just wanted to show you the upgrades we did to the bike. Previously stated, the customer had a lot of stuff already on the bike, and we tried to keep as much stuff of his as possible. What we did up front here was customer previously had the Evo X amplifier. We added the Soundigital Evo X2, okay? Before the amplifiers were not mounted down, we got them screwed down here. Also, another upgrade we did was we added the Rockford Fosgate DSR1 DSP. It's nice and tucked away right here on the side. We were going to go with the Cicadia 6.5-inch mid-range horn speaker, but we opted to go with the Diamond Audio MP6x4 horns, okay, which is we put there. Kept the customer's Soundstream radio. Unfortunately, these Focal speakers here, they are CA glued here from the back. We could not get them out, so they're just gonna remain there. In the back here, we used the Evo X2 amplifier to power the Hertz SBL 8-inch mid-bass speakers here, and we used the Hefe rings. Like, customer already had these speakers in there. They were installed right. Let's take a listen to this thing, man. This thing sounds amazing. Pull the trigger. Don't stop. Rapid fire. Rapid fire. Rapid fire. I'm a number you with the 1-2 like it's rapid fire. Don't stop, get it, don't stop, get it, don't stop, don't stop, get it, don't stop. You know we had to do it. We about to run this shit back. Pull the trigger. Don't stop. Check 40. Some good old bass.
That Harley is extremely loud. Golly. All right, guys, when you are ready to bring your Harley here and you want to get wired right, call us, email us. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. There is thousands of pictures and thousands of... What's up, guys? If you liked what you just now looked at, call us, email us, hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. We are all out there. Wired Customs Motorsports, Cleburne, Texas.